Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can register as a student on the StemCo.tech website. StemCo is an international math and science competitions website from grade 1 until grade 12. It's based in Singapore and it's known for its interesting questions and content. It's quite different from traditional Olympiads, so definitely give it a shot. So how do you participate in StemCo? First, you have to register by going to StemCo.tech website. Then you click on the registration button. Here, you can register as a student. So click on student, click next. And you need to put your name, surname, and email. We strongly encourage you to use Gmail. That's the most supported email provider. There may be some problems with some obscure email providers that are not so popular. Okay, then you choose your country. Let's say we're gonna use Singapore, and I'll try to find my school. So just for this tutorial, I have created this school called Test School, but you can see it has this symbol. That means it's not officially registered. This happens when students create a school or make a soft registration of the school. Some schools have a blue tick. Blue tick means this school has been officially registered with a teacher or the school administration. If your school has the yellow kind of icon, it hasn't been registered, it's okay. You can still proceed. Or you can also reach out to your teachers and ask them to get in touch with the StemCo organization so your school can participate officially. What is the benefit of official registration? There is a discounted price, so you'll get a $5 discount on your participation fee. All right, so let's say I'm gonna find my school here. It's like this. What happens if I don't have my school in the list? Let's say my school is called School ABC. Well, it's okay, you can just write it here. It will be registered. After you submit your registration, the school will be created. Right. Next, you can choose your grade level. Make sure you choose the correct grade level. This is an international grade level scheme from grade 1 to grade 12. This corresponds with US system and most other places. For UK system, this will be slightly different, and you can correct it later. Don't worry about it too much. Just choose the grade level and click next. Okay. Then you come up with your login. Let's say my name is John. I'll create a login called John123, for example, and you just create your own password and click submit. Once you click submit, you'll get a notification that registration is successful, and it will ask you to activate your email. Activate your account via email. So you go to your email. You should have gotten a activation email. Click on the link, and after you do that, you'll be basically transported to the website immediately. Once you're inside, you can see some information about your account. You can change some of this, fix if there's a mistake in your name, etc. Then what you can do here is, first thing you can do is you can take part in the demo or trial competitions. These are free and basically give you a chance to have a look at the platform, to have a look at the exam, at the style, at the languages, at this question style and difficulty level. So this kind of gives you a feeling for what StemCo is like. So in terms of our questions, there are there's lots of context. For example, this is a example of taken from a movie, right? From a movie basically. So there are references to computer games. There are references to what's happening in the world, news, things like that. We even have questions on anime and cartoons and all kinds of things. So sometimes you may encounter something that's very familiar to you that maybe you have as a hobby, etc. Okay, so this is about StemCo. Our questions are not as difficult as that of traditional Olympiads. They're a bit easier. They're slightly different in terms of what they aim for. So you'll see when you try it. So after the exam, you'll get your results immediately, how many questions you got right and wrong, etc. However, if you want more detailed information, you can go to the review here, which will give you a question-by-question breakdown. You'll be able to see which questions you got right and which questions you got wrong with the solutions below. All right. Okay, so what can you do? What else can you do to get access to upcoming competitions in the winter season? So we're currently in the winter season. The competitions will take place during 10 days between 19 February and 28 February. During these dates, you basically will have access to this, but only if you make a subscription, if you subscribe. So here you will see that you're unsubscribed at the moment. In order to subscribe, you can click on this orders button, where you can also see all of your payment history, or you can click on this red button on top, subscribe to have more fun. So you click, let's go. Then you can see what you'll be getting and how much it will cost. And you can click here on the subscribe button. Currently, we're using PayPal system. It's an international system, very well known and very secure. StemCo does not keep any of your information, any of your personal payment information. So this is all secure with PayPal. Here you can use a promo code, which you might get from somebody from our partners, from whoever is organizing StemCo in your country. If you don't have a promo code, it's fine. You can just make payment here, either PayPal or any bank card. Visa, MasterCard, any standard bank card is supported. Just click and wait. And then you can basically input all of this data, etc. Make sure you choose the correct country. Let's say if you're from Singapore, click here, and then you input all of this data and click Pay Now. And that's it. Once you make payment, you need to log out and log in again. And when you log in again, all of this payment requirement will be removed, so you'll have complete access to the platform. So what do you get? Again, you get access to these competitions in the upcoming season. And as of now, you also get access to past competitions to kind of go and try and see what kind of questions were in the past competitions to help you prepare for the upcoming competitions. You can also access the same questions in a different way. We have a practice mode. Here we have a database of around 2,000 questions at the moment, and this database will be growing over time. They contain all of our questions from previous years, and you can see questions in your grade level in the different subjects. So let's say I'm interested in chemistry, and I can sort by difficulty level. So we recommend you first start with easy questions and you move yourself up. Okay, you can also see whether or not you attempted the questions. You can see the difficulty level, how many % of students have actually got this question correct. So here we only have 21%, so this must be a really hard question, etc. You also have leaderboards. This is a new feature that is currently also being developed, but basically you can see your results in different competitions all over the world. All right. Thank you. And that's all. Thank you for your attention.